Hi, Beanbeauti's Dee Bean here. Guess what time it is? It is COACHmas time. Oh no, it is Miscellaneous time. Oh no, it is Duckmas time. It is, I have no idea time. There's these two that I'm opening up and we're going to find out what they are. So if you're interested to see which time it is other than CHAOSmas time, then come on back. Hi, Beanbeauties. Welcome to Chaotic Christmas 2025, where you never know what you're going to get over here. One day it'll be COACHmas, one day it'll be Duckmas, and one day it'll be Miscellaneousmas. And why is it called Chaotic Christmas? Because this girl wants to do way too much for y'all in the month of December. My goal is to have a month-long unboxing of all the things that I purchased in 2025 that I haven't had a chance to unbox because of my health or other reasons. And yes, I might even find items from 2024 and even items from 2023. Shh. No judging, okay? Well, okay, you can judge a little bit because I do. So if you don't want to miss out on the chaos over here, and if you are having your own chaos at home and you want to enjoy somebody else's chaos, then come on over. But you got to make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell, because I don't know when I'm going to upload. I don't know what time I'm going to upload. I don't know. Well, it should be every day, but will it be every day? I don't know. So if you are interested in any of that, and if I have you just a little bit of curious, then come on back and let's get started. Today I'm doing a bunch of recordings. It seems to be all miscellaneous. I'm trying to find a coach. I need another COACHmas, and I was hoping that that's what this is, but I don't think it is. I have a whole bunch of bags that I have from It's Hadrian, and he wraps them all up nice and pretty, and then he slips in all of the invoices in the box. Well, you know, I purchased a lot from him. So in that box, I had a lot of bags. So let's try with this one first and see what this is. Who knows? I don't think this is a coach. I don't think this is a coach. It's a Kipling. It's not a coach. It's a Kipling little makeup bag. Oh, it's it has 3 compartments. 4. One here, one here, one here, one here, here. Oh, I know. I probably got this for my makeup, or I got this as a check bag. And I also got it because it has a little monkey. I love the monkey. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom, and then the top. It has a really good zipper, and it's a Kipling bag. So I like how it has the center zipper in here. This zipper comes all the way down, so it opens up pretty wide. You have this pocket, a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here, and the inside. So it's a cute, oh, I unzipped it. So it's a cute little pouch. I'm a sucker for a pouch. Okay, let's see what's in here. Whew. Could it be a coach, or is it miscellaneous? Let's see. Huh. Ready? Ready? I don't know if I'm ready. Ta-da. Oh, it's Duckmas, y'all. It's a Dooney bag. Oh, it's a vintage Dooney bag. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. It's Duckmas. Let me look through here and see if I know what the name of this bag is. Okay, there is not a name other than it's a vintage Dooney. It has this kind of a lock that you push on it and push up. This has real suede, y'all. Dooney suede is very, very nice. It smells like leather, y'all. Here it has these are adjustable but not detachable. Here is the brass, and it's nice and heavy. The Dooney Duck logo. And then here is what it looks like there on the inside. Very beautiful. The color is beautiful, beautiful. And and then this one was made in the USA. There's a tag, which is probably why I bought it, because I have very few bags in my collection that are made in the USA from Dooney, which I don't know if this might be the first one. So I'm sure that is why I bought it. Very cute. Cute bag. All right, there we go. So we have a Duckmas, Miscellaneousmas, but it'll fall under Duckmas. Okay, so since it's Duckmas, we have 2 calendars to open. Come on back. Okay, for Duckmas, we have our duck calendar. We are on day 5 for our advent calendar that for our ducks, which I started this after the fact. Amazon sent it to me, said, we think that you'll like this. These are very hard to open, but it's good in a way because then they don't fall open. And this is, it's a little Christmas duck. So we've been turning them into charms. We're putting the little hooks. I have a little, this has a little lobster hook here. And here has the little hole there in case this is the first time you're watching. You just slip it on there, and then this has a lobster hook that you can hook it on your bag, or you can use it as a keychain. And in our case, we're gonna hang it on the tree. Oops, Mr. Bear fell. Okay, and then we have our hand sanitizer, our DIY hand sanitizer. Let's see what scent we have. This one is Fresh Balsam. Let's see. Oh, it smells like, we're not supposed to do that. That smells something but alcohol. I didn't learn. It smells like Christmas tree. Yeah, it smells like Christmas tree. It smells really nice, really nice. Okay, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for joining me today for Duckmas. Now we know it's Duckmas. Y'all knew before I did what that y'all are gonna know before I did, because I just found out in here. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by. Love y'all. Bye bye.